Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, let's create an informative tutorial about the BERT tokenizer in Python using the Hugging Face Transformers library. BERT, Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers, is a popular pre-trained language model. The tutorial will cover how to use the BERT tokenizer to tokenize text into subwords, which is a crucial step when working with BERT-based models. First, you need to install the Transformers library, which provides pre-trained models and tokenizers. You can install it using the following command. Now, let's import the necessary libraries in your Python script or Jupyter Notebook. Instantiate the BERT tokenizer by specifying the pre-trained model's name. You can choose from various pre-trained BERT models available in the Hugging Face Model Hub. Now, let's tokenize a sample text using the BERT tokenizer. The tokenize method breaks down the input text into subwords or word pieces, providing a list of tokens. BERT models process text by converting tokens into numerical IDs. Let's convert the tokens into their corresponding token IDs. BERT models expect input sequences of a fixed length. Use the tokenizers encode method to encode the text and add padding if needed. Here, padding ensures that sequences are padded to the maximum length, and truncation truncates sequences longer than the specified max_length. To convert token IDs back to the original text, you can use the decode method. In this tutorial, you've learned how to use the BERT tokenizer in Python using the Hugging Face Transformers library. This tokenizer is a crucial component when working with BERT-based models, helping you tokenize and encode text for natural language processing tasks. ChatGPT